This. Oh my god, embarrassing. My skin, she looks cute. Because a girl is tired. She is very tired. Does that not look so delicious? I'm so sleepy. I do not know how people do it. Got home from work and I need a Vlogmas day 4. Oh god. Happy Vlogmas day 4, you guys. This is kind of not going to be a fun Vlogmas because this needs to be uploaded by tomorrow. And I just got home from work. I had a busy day. I'm exhausted. Oh my god, the brows. I just worked a 12-hour shift and this is what my brows still look like. What? I didn't, honestly, I haven't looked in the mirror in a long time, but girl, these brows are so good. Anyways, happy Vlogmas day 4. I'll talk about that in a second. Today, I'm basically just gonna film a little, like, not night routine because I think that's coming up soon. I wanted to show you guys kind of like a realistic night in my life. I just worked a 12-hour shift and I'm exhausted and I'm so tired. So I have some things that we're gonna do tonight and that's just the vibe. Because I already mentioned my brows, like look at the queens. I always use this Sephora brow pencil. It's so good. I usually use it in the shade 2.5 Auburn. What I think keeps it like this is the Refi Sculpt Brow in the shade, not in the shade, Sculpt Brow in Clear. I use this and honestly it's made such a difference. It's my favorite thing and it's literally not going anywhere. We're gonna go shower right now because I feel so disgusting. Like, oh my god, my hair. Maybe we'll do like a hair mask. Ooh, let's pick a hair mask to do. I'm gonna do a disclaimer that I'm gonna probably be exhausted during this video and I'm so sorry in advance because yeah, I worked all day long and this is like my 3rd 12-hour shift, so I'm very, very tired. Let's prep to go into the shower. So honestly, I'm just gonna use my normal face routine, but we can do a hair mask and I got this kit from Sephora where you can try all kinds of different hair masks. Let's try one. I don't think I've ever tried this one. This is the Moroccan Oil Intense Hydrating Mask. I feel like this one would be really fun to do. I just gotta read the instructions. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower, but I'm gonna do like shampoo, then this, and then kind of do like a bunch of other things, maybe like shave, maybe like scrub my body, all those extra things. So let's hop into the shower. Also, if you guys are not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and follow me on Instagram right here to get more content from me. If this is the first video you're watching, I apologize in advance because a girl is tired. She is very tired. I think we should also do teeth whitening. I watched one of my other videos and girl, she was looking like buttered popcorn. We'll be doing that tonight. So let's quickly jump into the shower and just feel a lot better. Okay, I just got out of the shower. Slay. Okay, I quickly just got dressed because people were getting noisy. So I just thought in the meantime, let's put some clothes on. So I want to talk about some products that I used in the shower. So where was this? I told you guys I was going to try this out. I feel like my hair is very hydrating. I guess you never really know until the day after, but it did feel so good. Girl, nothing compares to the smell of Moroccan oil. Like it's literally heavenly. And I can smell it all through my hair and it smells so good. And I think my hair is going to be very hydrating and healthy. I can feel it. Next, I also used this Peace Out Pore Perfecting little mask. You can use it as like a face scrub and a mask, and I just use it as a face scrub in the shower. I really liked it. I've used it before. I think I actually talked about it in one of like my favorites videos. My skin feels just like squeaky clean, and honestly, my pores have been very shrunken in. I think I'm just gonna put some, ooh, girl. I'm just gonna put some like regular cream on. I love this cream. Sometimes I do the whole like serums and the toner and stuff, but honestly when my skin is stripped like this, I just want it to be like hydrated. Obviously I am not a dermatologist, so I don't know the facts, but this is what I do.
Can you come and open the door, babe?
Oh my god, scared. I'm gonna put a little bit down my neck. Honestly, I don't know if the camera is giving what it needs to, but my skin, she looks cute. She looks really cute. I'm gonna comb my hair through. I'm gonna use this just because my hair's so tangly that usually I always need this. Also, I'm just wearing the most comfy clothes, like sweatpants and a sweater after a long shift. That feels so good. I don't know if you guys work long hour shifts, but my legs are aching. Like, they hurt so bad. It's actually unreal. I feel so good now. Like, I am so comfy and my skin feels so good. My hair feels so good. There's nothing like having a really nice shower after a long day. She's giving. I don't really know what she's giving. I also thought that maybe we could go upstairs and make like this holiday tree. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so we are now in the kitchen and I want to show you guys something that I want to make. I've never made it before, so I hope it tastes really good. I should have made it like earlier today or yesterday, honestly. But you know when people have like Christmas bark with like chocolate and, you know, the peppermints and the other chocolate, you know, I thought that we could do like a healthy spin on it, because sometimes people around the holidays, they kind of want to be very like healthy. I know that sounds weird, but you know what I mean. Like, people want to be healthy because we got the Christmas dinner, we got all the goodies that are coming into work. Like, there's a lot of other things. So on their day-to-day, they want to be like healthy. But I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I get like a little bit of a sweet tooth. I'm not gonna lie. So I want to make this like Christmas bark thing, and I'll show you guys how it looks. I hope it works out, but we'll see. Basically, the girl just put like vanilla yogurt. This one has 0% milk fat. You don't need to do that, just do whatever you want. I prefer always buying yogurt that has 0% milk fat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it on like this little plate, not plate, this like pan with like a sheet. Anyways, I'll show you guys. My brain is mush. I'm not gonna lie at this time. The girl took like these little chocolates. These are the semi-sweet mini chocolate chips, and she kind of just sprinkled them on. She even like melted some and then drizzled it on, which I think we're also gonna do. And then she bought like peppermint. Why is it so hard to find peppermint candy canes? Like, they were the OGs. Every time I went to go get peppermint candy canes, or just like I went to go get candy canes, it was like cherry, fruity, sour. Honestly, it's kind of a slay, but at the same time, I just want the normal peppermint girl. And I'm gonna just crush them up and then drizzle them on the yogurt. I don't know, I just feel like it's gonna be really good. So let's go ahead and start making it. So I'm just gonna make it like this big. Some people have like parchment paper. I'm hoping that's gonna be it, and it's gonna just be able to break off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this yogurt. And obviously, depending on how thick you want it, I don't want to make too much because honestly, I think I'm going to be the only one eating this in the house. And I just get the Activia, like, no big deal. Ooh, she's thick. Honestly, I'm probably not going to make it the size of the pan because, again, I don't think anybody in my family is going to eat it. So I'm just going to spread it. I feel like also the thicker I do it, the more time it's going to take to freeze. Oh, are you kidding me? This is kind of what it's looking like. That's just yogurt. I'm gonna take a couple of these little chocolate chips and I'm gonna sprinkle it. I'm gonna put it in the freezer and then it's gonna be like hard. So then you just like crack it and like have a little piece. I don't think I'm gonna do the drizzle, if I'm being honest, because I feel like that's enough chocolate. And now for the candy canes, let's crush these hoes. I think I'm gonna put in a bag and then crush them. You're really there, don't make me fall in love with you. Actually, don't even know the words to that song. But Ariana slays. So I'm gonna take the plastic bit off and put it in a bag. So I just put it in a bag and we're gonna, we're just gonna smash them. But the thing is I want them to be like tiny pieces. So you bitch, I made a hole in the bag. God, they're really sticky. I don't know if I like that. Guys, I know this is gonna be good. This is gonna be so good. Okay, let me show you guys. Does that not look so delicious? So it's like yogurt, chocolate chips, peppermint. Oh my God, I'm gonna put it in the freezer and hopefully it freezes. Because I worked like 3 day shifts in a row, 3 12-hour days, now we're on to nights. So tomorrow I actually have to work a night shift, so probably gonna try and stay up as long as I can. And then hopefully this will be frozen. Because obviously I gotta show you guys the final result. Because, you know, I don't want to tell you guys something to make if it tastes like shit. So now we wait. Let me tell you something about living at home is that you usually have a dinner when you get home. So my dad made tacos and I'm pumped. So our dinner this evening is gonna be tacos, okay? So I have these casa, I don't even know, but they're like spinach wraps and they actually taste really good. Then we got the hamburger here. Okay, and then we're gonna move on to the station over there. So now we got the lettuce, okay, and then we got the cheese. Oh my god, they actually shredded a lot of cheese. I'm gonna put the salsa on top. You guys let me know what kind of, why don't we say sauce slash dressing slash whatever. Let me know what you guys put on your tacos. Because some people put Caesar dressing, you know. Me, I like a good salsa. What is this? Medium salsa. Don't let me confuse you because salsa is usually too hot for me. I don't really know what's going on with the light right now. It's giving Casper the Ghost. This is my taco, you guys. Oh. Nice. Okay. So I'm gonna eat this and maybe watch a little bit of some Vlogmas videos. Also, let me know in the comments down below what Vlogmases you guys watch. Personally, I watch Alicia Marie. I watch Adeline Morin. I kind of like that little group of friends. I recently subscribed to Remy because she has really long Vlogmas vlogs and I'm such a fan of that. So I subscribed to her. I think that's it. Oh no, you know what, you guys? Whitney Simmons is into the Vlogmas train, okay? She's back on YouTube. So I've been watching her videos as well. But yeah, comment down below the people you watch for Vlogmas. And I'm gonna go ahead and eat and relax for a bit. I wanna kinda like sit back so the lighting isn't so terrible. Just finished eating that wrap. She was delicious. What is this? Oh my god, embarrassing. Oh my god. That was so embarrassing. Also, the hair is hydrating. Also, I can't stop smelling my hair. It smells so good. Okay, the bangs are looking greasy. I know it's just wet because I showered, but I also do not like, oh my god, I like don't like the look of that. So now it is like 8:30. It's 8:30? Damn, we did a lot. I got off at 7, so we did all that. And it's only 8:30. Love that. So basically for the rest of the night, I'm probably just gonna like edit. I like to stay awake. My brain is not working currently, but I like to stay awake because I work a night shift. So just so my body gets like into routine to working a night shift. Me and my boyfriend are probably gonna go get some ice caps from Tim Hortons to kind of wake me up a little bit so that I can do some work. Not that we're pulling an all-nighter, babes, but close to. And also it's 8:30 and I'm exhausted. I hope that this video is not as shitty as I thought it was gonna be. This is just like realistic, guys. Like this is what I do after shift and I gotta work again tomorrow. Now, if I worked a day shift tomorrow, I'd be in bed sleeping because I have to wake up at 5 a.m. But I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna relax for a bit until my boyfriend wants to go get an ice cap and then we're going to Tim Hortons. Hi, can I have 2 medium ice caps? We're at Tim Hortons and I just got an ice cap for me and my boyfriend so that I can go home and edit because I gotta get some work done. If I'm being honest with you guys, we will probably not make it to taste testing those little treats tonight. So I'm going to insert a clip here of me trying the little Christmas bark out and actually seeing if it tastes good. Hi guys, it is the next day, but I promised you that I would try out this Christmas bark. So I'm gonna take it out of the freezer and let's see if it actually tastes good. I hate touching cold stuff, so I'm just wearing a mitt. But this is what it looks like. Okay, she's nice and frozen. It's like super frozen, you guys. Wait, what the hell? These people just like take it out of the freezer. They like, oh, I just broke the paper. I'm just gonna bite it. Mmm. That tastes really good. Honestly, just skip the freezing part. And I tried to do this frozen yogurt thing before. I don't know how you bitches do it, but I think I'm just gonna put it in like little pieces and put it in a bowl. Put it in the fridge, because honestly, if it melts, I don't care. I feel like it'll taste the same thing. And it's too hard to eat this like frozen. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say that it's like a 9 out of 10 because it actually tastes really good. Very Christmassy. It's just, it like honestly doesn't need to be frozen. You can eat it when it's not frozen. I cut them up in little pieces. I just used like a stronger knife And I just put them in little containers because I'm actually hoping that they're gonna melt and then I can just take them to work tonight and eat them. I hope that this is a cute little snack idea. It's just like Christmassy and gets you in the mood. I'm excited to eat these. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna quickly just brush my teeth and we are going to do the whitening strips. I get mine at Walmart. I feel like they work pretty dang good. Haven't done it in a while, clearly. Also, they do make your teeth a little sensitive, so I just want to let y'all know that. So I'm going to quickly just brush my teeth and we'll put these in. Okay, so I flossed my teeth and I brushed my teeth. So let's go ahead and use the strips. All my teeth were bleeding when I was flossing my teeth. And I know all the dental hygienists out there, y'all are quaking in your shoes because my teeth are awful. Long tab and a shorter tab. I put the longer tab on the tops of my teeth. Okay, and then the bottom ones. I'm gonna end the vlog off here. Probably not a good idea because you have to listen to my lisp. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas Day 4. Or Vlogmas altogether, honestly. Let me know in the comments what you think I should improve on. This is my first Vlogmas ever, and I mean, obviously I should have planned today, so let's not come for me for that. But other than that, if you guys stayed till the end of this video, comment. Actually, I was gonna say comment whitening strips, but I feel like that would be mean because it means that I need whitening strips. So comment down below a tooth emoji. I feel like that's kind of like a secret little code. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys are not already, please subscribe and also follow me on Instagram right here to get more content from me. So happy Vlogmas Day 4 and I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 5.